This is my 1977 Ford Highboy F250. It's got a 427 stroker in it. Thing's nice. It's frame off restored, rotisserie restoration. It's got 40-inch Mickey Thompsons on it. Fuel Rincons. Those are true beadlocks. Undercarriage is as nice as the rest of it. The pockets on the rails were all welded shut. It's got a Dana 60 rear end with disc brakes. Got a 79 front grille conversion on it. Dynatrac full Dana 60 in the front. All beefed up. Fox shocks all the way around. It's got Eaton lockers front and rear. Those power amp boards. Manual transmission. Nice truck. This thing's tucked completely underneath. Show the engine real quick. Anyways, that's my truck. Let me know what you think.